Welcome to this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Here I'm gonna show you how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Before defining 3 by 3 matrix, let define the concept of minor and cofactor. Concept of minor and cofactor for the given matrix. Now, minor and the cofactor of the matrix is very important to find or for the determinant of matrix. When we say minor, let's take matrix A. In simple way to show you the minor and the cofactor, if a matrix A is given, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, Mij of the matrix A. Mij of the matrix A is Aij. Aij, that is minor of an element of Aij. When you say minor of an element of Aij, that is constrict the first row and the first column, then take the other elements. Let's take M11, that is A11, deleting first column and deleting first row. Then we have A21, A22, A23, and A32 and A33. Data of this one is obtained by taking the difference of cross product, that is A22 times A32 minus A23 times A32. That is an example of a minor of A11. Let's see cofactor of Cij. When you see cofactor, this Cij, that is Cij of element Aij means minus 1 raised to I plus j into Aij of an element Aij. Minus 1 raised to I plus j means that is I plus j, for I take the value of 1, 2 or 3, and the j is also take the value 1, 2 or 3. So let's see C11, cofactor of element A11. So C11 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into A11. So A11 means minus 1 square A2 3 times A2 3 times A33 minus A32 times A23. This is the minor and the cofactor of a determinant of determinants of matrix. So to find determinants of a matrix A, we can choose any columns or any rows, or we can find determinant of a matrix along any row or along any columns, because they are equal. Determinant of along any column is equal with determinant of along any row in the given matrix, or I row along I row or along j row. There we get equal number of values. So we have different formulas for along I row or along j column. By using along I row, we can find the determinant of A as A11 into or AI1 C1 plus AI2 CI2 plus AI3 CI3. This is along I row. I row means by taking the first row. We can take second row, third row, it is possible, but we get the same value for the determinant. So we take the first row here along any jth column. We can choose any columns of the given matrix, maybe the first column or second or third. Let's take determinant of A along jth column. A1j C1j plus A2j C2j plus A3j C3j. This is along column J. For I starts from, or I take the value 1, 2 or 3, and also J take the value 1, 2 or 3 So the date of this determinant is equal. We can, let's see by using examples. Take or let matrix AB 1, 2, 0. That's first row. 2, 0, 1 and 3, 1, 1. The 3 by 3 matrix. Now for this matrix, let's find date of matrix A. First, let's take ith row by using ith row. When we say ith row, along ith row, we can choose any row, maybe first row, second row, third row. Along ith row, let's choose the first row. By using the first row, date of A is equals to A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13. Then A11 means that is 1 into C11 means minus 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, deleting first row, first column 0, 1, 1, 1, determiner plus A12 is 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 because raised to raised to minus 3 is minus 1. Then deleting second column and the first row, also 1, 0 and 3, 1 plus A13 is 0, 0 into deleting third column and first row, again we have 1, 2 and 3, 1. 2, 0 and 3, 1. Then now 1 times minus 1 is minus 1 multiplied by 0 times 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus here 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 into 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 plus this gives 0 because multiplying any number by 0 gives 0. So here we obtain minus 1 plus minus 2 times here 2 minus 3 is minus 1 times 2 is positive 2 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Now here we obtain along first row date of A gives positive 1. Here we obtain 1. Let's check that by using along jth column. By choosing any column. Let's take the first column. By using first column, here we have A11 C11 plus A21 C21 plus A31 plus C31. A13 means 1, here 1 into minus 1 raised to 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2, taking then deleting first row and first column 0, 1, 1, 2 plus A21 is 2 into minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, then deleting second row and first column, we obtain 2, 0 and 1, 1. 2, 0 and 1, 1 plus a31 is 3 into minus 1 raised to 31 means 3 plus 1, that is raised to 4, into deleting third row, first column we have 2 0 and 0 1. So here minus 1 0 minus 1 plus 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 into, that is 2 minus 0 is 2 minus 0 is 2 plus 3 into 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. Here we have minus 1 plus minus 4 plus 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. So here minus 1 plus minus 4 is minus 5 plus 6 is 1. So here it's clear that by using this column, by using first column, we obtain determinant of A is 1, and first row we obtain 1. Therefore, date of along the first column is equal along the first row. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.